Hi guys, tonight we found a special guest for our Unica station. Look guys, it's cicada. It's climbing up the tree and then he's gonna get out of his exoskeleton.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Well, the real thing
Differences.
is he molts his skin and then eventually he becomes an actual full-blown cicada.
Oh.
The thing is that when he molts his skin, he has a certain amount of time to find a mate, and then after he finds a mate, he eventually passes on. So,
Thank you.
no.
This was Daniel, our guest, as well. Look, can you see the differences between the cicada that you know? He's gonna be cicada once he found a place to stay, and it's gonna take a long time to get out from that scale.